Hello guys, today we are going to see how to delete the existing WordPress and reinstall it in domain name in Hostinga. So in Hostinga there is website tab in the upper right. So websites, website lists, and then you will see your websites. So the website that you want to delete WordPress and reinstall it, for example, this one. I want to reinstall WordPress on this one, okay? So this is very slow and very sluggish. I want to start over. Okay, go ahead, see the dashboard, not WP admin, dashboard. Okay, now scroll down. WordPress overview. And after that, scroll down. Install another WordPress. Click on it. This will load. And after that, this will give you the email. So I'm gonna just do this email, my email, administrator username, make it, and administrator password. I'm just gonna do this one and give it a name. And that's it. Go ahead and press next. Save it. And after that, install. This will install. This will erase your existing website and install another in top of it. Not in top of it, in the place of it. Okay, so make sure that all of this is gonna be erased and deleted forever. And this is a faster way to clean your website, not going and deleting the plugins and deleting the media, deleting the posts. So this is a faster way. So we are gonna wait for this and we will see our website. Well, we will refresh it and see the result. Meanwhile, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Please, that will help me. So right now it's ended and let's see our website. Okay. Yeah, this is our website. Fairly new website, right? And you can access to it like WP admin /WP admin. Okay. Type the username that you typed and the password and you can log in. Fairly new WordPress. So I'm gonna type the email. Remember me, login, and yeah, this is it. This is our new website, our new dashboard. It's fairly new. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.